This video will show how to register a new subscriber using a TG1 Express with Home Control Flex. Launch your browser and open Telguard.com. Telguard recommends the Google Chrome browser. Sign in to Telguard.com with your dealer credentials. The first page displayed shows the dashboard. The dashboard provides a summary of all the devices in your dealer account with hyperlinks you can select to see specific data such as total active units or total pending activation. Using this feature, you can quickly access the data that is most important to you, and the list of subscriber numbers will display the results as a filtered list. The list of subscribers can be sorted by a specific column. Click on the arrow shown to the right of the column heading to sort in ascending or descending order for a specific column. To register a new subscriber, select the Register Subscriber button on the dashboard to quickly launch the Register Subscriber wizard, or hover over the Subscriber tab and select Register Subscriber on the drop-down menu. When the Let's Create a New Subscriber window is displayed, enter the Telguard serial number and select Validate. If the provider serial number is valid and not previously assigned, the wizard will advance to the 6-step Register Subscriber wizard. Enter the subscriber's name and address. If desired, enter the optional client account number, then click Next Step. The client account number is a searchable custom field that is used to store client account information relevant to the dealer and/or central station, but not validated or used by Telguard. Step 2 of the Register Subscriber wizard displays a list of pre-existing templates for you to select, or you can also select the Create New Device Template button to launch the Create Template wizard. Templates are used by Telguard to make registration easy and repeatable for the dealer or installer by auto-populating fields that are consistently reused for each type of installation. Please refer to the Create New Template video for additional information. Any setting applied by a template can be changed before the device is registered. Select a specific template from the list and then select the Next Step button. Template fields include data such as the alarm format, self-test interval, device mode of operation such as cellular, primary, or cellular only, the STC relay configuration, and central station receiver number. Each of these fields and others are explained in detail in pop-up messages that appear when the mouse cursor is hovering over a selection. But as you can see, templates are a real time saver and they greatly reduce the potential for errors. Step 3 displays the alarm panel and TCC communication options set by the template. Review the settings and enter the central station account code for the new subscriber. Then select the Next Step button. Step 4 displays additional services that may be selected, such as interactive services. Select the alarm panel and the appropriate rate plan for the selected services. Enter the system name and subscriber's name and email. When these selections are correct, select the Next Step button. Step 5 displays the billing plans for your organization. Make sure the correct billing plan is selected and select Next Step. Step 6 displays all the settings selected to register the new device. Scroll down to review these settings and edit them if required. Then select the Register Subscriber button located at the bottom of the window. The system displays a message indicating the subscriber has been registered. Now, all that remains is to activate the Telguard unit by sending 2 test signals from the connected panel. More on this in another training video.